Okay, with this video I'm going to show you the features on the Writers Network Club site. And we'll start out with this main page. This is actually the home page, which is the first page any visitors will see. And it will basically stay about the same most of the time. There will be the odd change now and then when something changes, but if you're a new visitor and you haven't registered yet, you can either go up here where there will be a registration link, or you can click here, which will take you to the registration page. Now it won't take me to the registration page because I'm already signed in. The other page that visitors will see or be able to view is the FAQ page, which I try to keep up to date with new questions as they arise, and this will change from time to time whenever I have something new to add. At the present time, the WNC monthly writing contest has not been completed because I haven't been able to get software to work for the reviewing process, but that will come shortly, I'm sure. Everything else is basically described. You just click on the question that you have and it'll take you to the answer at the top of the page. The next page that you should pay attention to if you haven't signed up yet and maybe refer to from time to time is the terms of service and privacy policy. It's all laid out fairly clear there. I know there's a lot to read and it's very similar to most sites, but it doesn't hurt to familiarize yourself with it. The latest news page is where my posts will appear, and they are in abbreviated form here. You just have to click on the read post to see the entire post. And there is a comment form available for anybody that wishes to comment to whatever I have had to say. If you want to read a certain category of posts, you can use this over here. Admin comments, events, writers' festivals. There will be other things I added as categories. And for instance, when the contests are up and running and started to be posted, there will be a link there to take you to contest entries, and that will save scrolling through the whole page to look for them, because that will show all the entries on one page. Next is activity. This shows you everything that's been going on the site since it began. You can scroll right back to the very beginning if you wish, but the most current events and posts will appear at the top of the page, and you can scroll back through them if you haven't been on the site for a day or two. The directory is where you will find the links to all of the websites that have been formed by new members, and just by clicking on them, any one of them, it will take you to that website, and you can peruse it. If you want to go back to the main site, you can merely just press the back button, or you can use this which says My Sites and click on the Writers Network and View Site. That will take you back where we were. The next page is Groups. And these are the groups that have been formed so far. You can add more if you wish, either just by clicking here for Create Group, or you can go up here to your thing and go to Groups and create a group. And on the right hand side of each group, it will show you what your update wishes are. At the present time, when you first sign up, they're all set to no email. But should you desire to receive email notifications when there's additions to the group, you just click Get Email Updates. Then you can choose either weekly summary, a daily digest, or only new topics, or whichever you prefer. And then once you've selected that, that's what it'll show. So whatever you change it to, that's what you'll get. You can also order the groups by the latest active, the most members, the most newly created, or put them in alphabetical order. Next page is Members. That shows all the members who have joined to date, and again, you can go directly to their profile page just by clicking their name. You can also order them by the last active member, the newest registered, or in alphabetical order. Or if you know a particular member's username, you can do a search through the search box, which will become more necessary probably as the membership grows. Next is events, and this will list events that I or anyone else has posted along the way. This is the only page that doesn't seem to act right when it comes to the sidebar, and that will just keep getting pushed down, but you don't really need the sidebar when it comes to events anyway. It'll list the events, and there will be a URL to take you to the organization page for that event. Next is Writers Forums. This will list the forums that are available and also show how many topics that have been posted to the forum and how many posts. And just if you, for instance, you want some to put up a post offering feedback for other writers, you just click feedback offered, and then you can enter a topic and post your forum, put any tags, and decide whether the topic is normal, sticky, or super sticky, and you can change the status here. If you decide to close a particular particular topic and not allow any more comments on it, you can click it closed, or you can trash it. Next is the entry form for your monthly writing contest, and it's all self-explanatory. You just fill out all the information and submit it, and once I receive it, I will take and copy and paste it into the latest news and assign it the category that will allow you to find it by clicking on the category. The next thing we have here is a search box, so if you want to search any particular keyword on the site, it will find every post or every instance of that keyword. Also, here's where you log out if you're leaving the site. Again, the categories I've already explained. If you know the email of a fellow writer you want to invite, or more than one, you can just type in their email address here, click continue, and follow the prompts, and it will send out invitations. By doing it this way, you get credited WNC points for every invite you send. And if they accept, you get another point, and if they sign up, you get some more points. This is the quick chat window. If you just want to chat with the group at large, you just type your message in here and hit enter after each entry. If you want to chat privately with someone, you click on their name. I can't do it here because there's no one else online right now, but if they're online, their name will appear here, and you just simply click on their name, and it will ask you if you want to open a private chat window, and you can do it that way. This shows your current level of WNC points. This is the box you can use to transfer WNC points to other members. You just put in their username, the amount you want to transfer, and click transfer, and that's done. If for some reason you're running low on WNC points and haven't been able to earn enough to keep your level high enough to do the get the feedback that you require, you can buy them here with from PayPal. The equivalent value is $1 per point, and that's self-explanatory there. From time to time, I'll send coupons out to individuals or groups or whatever for additional points, and you just put in the coupon code which was in the message you got, and apply coupon, and it will add it on automatically. This shows you your the visitors to the site, the number today, the number yesterday, and the total number from the beginning. And of course, this is self-explanatory too. If you're feeling generous and you like the site and you want to make a small donation, put in the amount there, click PayPal donation, and follow the prompts. Down here we have a list of members that are belonging to the site. You can either sort it by newest, or the most active, or the most popular. And here you can do the same with groups, and this here will show all the recently active members, and by hovering over them it shows the member's name. And that's about it. As I said, all of the controls for your site or whatever over here, I'll make another video to show people how to sign up or how to customize their own websites or blogs. And that's about it. Thank you for your attention.